Accounting excellence is not just a skill, it's a mindset of the financial mastery. The best account don't just balance the book, they balance the scale of the financial justice. Very kind nature, straightforward, nice personality. We welcome on the stage early account reports. This guy give you the big hands for Mr. Robert. Come on the stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening. Especially I am seeing special guests today from China, Mr. Bean's wife. And this is a special day for us. We are waiting for this day since 2 weeks. We are making so many preparations and tensed in the night and how to make the reports, how to make the spreadsheets, how to make the Excel sheets, all the things, even PPTs also. Yesterday night also we discussed some matters with boss and made some planning. And here we are all from different part of the world and a different country and a different culture and a different language. But we united here as a Tobys team to reach our goals in the company and as well as for our family. Actually, today what I am presenting, it is just not a figures or some numbers. As you know, some graphs are there, some figures are there, some reports are there. Even so many things, what we have discussed, a different part of the company's sales or anything. But it's not just a figures, it's our hard work. It's our hard work, it's our teamwork. As I described, this is our A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That A means ability and our betterment, our consistency, our dedication, and our efficiency, and our gratitude, and our hard work and honesty. I am not here to give big speech and motivational anything because so many things are I have to describe here.